Hi Leos, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for September 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use these oracle texts that I have here. Leos, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading without wasting any further time. Towards the final days of August, stepping into September 2021, we have the Page of Swords. I think in these days you were quite pushy, you wanted to take the bull by the horns, you wanted to forge ahead in life. Maybe there were disagreements with your family elders, especially with your father, over your decisions with respect to your career. You needed to be patient in this time. Maybe gadgets or equipment may have also been malfunctioning at this time. Perhaps for some of you, there could also have been a travel related work offer. Obstacles to overcome this month, or the challenges that September is going to present for Leos, is the Strength card. Basically, you're being called upon to look closer at your relationships. Maybe you should distance yourself from somebody. Even while work, I think there'll be some gains or there could be surprises in store for you this month. But you have to deal with those minor irritants. Those in this month, I'm also picking up that you'll have to be quite firm while dealing with clients. Maybe they expect more from you, but they are unwilling when it comes to payment. Influences for this month, we have the Tower card. Certainly there'll be quick reactions this month. You're going to be quite impulsive because this is the Mars energy which is going to be there. Maybe you want to communicate with someone, so you're going to reach out to that person. Preferably, you should control the situation instead of allowing it to go out of hand. There are bound to be those delays, but then you're able to achieve your ends. Some of you could also be getting your dues this month. First 10 days of September, Leos, we have the Four of Swords. Primarily, you are being asked to think along a different course of action. Maybe you have to step back and put things into perspective. Try to be tactful in your relationships. Maybe you're not in a mood to talk as well. You want to meditate or you want to stay away from the crowd. Leos, you'll also have to repair your relationship with your mother. Maybe there are disagreements that are going to leave you overwhelmed. There could be calls for an interview, but then you may be undecided. Ideally, I think you should follow your instinct and make those gains. While working also, this is going to be a very hectic period. Maybe you want to buy your time and you want to attend to clients. Nevertheless, this is going to be a very productive period. You will manage to complete a lot of tasks at hand. What is most satisfying for you is that you don't have to take the help or assistance of colleagues who are quite jealous or envious. Incidentally, Leos, I'm also picking up that you need to keep a backup or a copy of your data or plans. Maybe somebody could threaten to sabotage your work. I think this should be a wake-up call for you, even if it's an idle threat. It could also be hampered because of malfunctioning gadgets, or maybe gadgets are unavailable to you. The next 10 days, that is towards the 11th to 20th September, we have the Two of Cups. Overall contentment can be expected in this time. Communication will also bring you gains. Maybe you should ask for more from clients. Another thing, Leos, this period will also be marked by reunions. It's a time to relax, to have fun. On the home front, you may feel that there's a particular person who is hell-bent on making it difficult for you. Perhaps this person is always taking spites on you. That is why you could question this person. You may feel hurt because you feel that you're being ill-treated despite doing your best. Perhaps, Leos, you should ignore everything. You should not let this person have any control over you. Whatever it may be, this is a time when you will be taxed, but you'll be happy with the output. You'll also be appreciated for your professional approach. As a leader of the pack, I think you'll be quite assertive this month. You will lash out at inefficient staff. Maybe you're also somebody who's going to sensationalize issues, maybe because you want to corner a particular worker, or you're going to expose this worker's misdeeds. Towards 21st to 30th September, we have the Knight of Swords. Excess communication is quite likely in this time. You have to adapt, you have to adjust, you have to move forward with the changes that are coming into your life in this time. You're also in an adventurous mood. I think it can be unnerving at times, but then a flexible approach will also help you progress. It will make things easier for you, Leos. In this time also you should be prepared or be ready for the unforeseen eventualities. Basically, you have to attend to whatever comes up or you have to prioritize. Many of you are willing to go the extra mile to make some bucks. But you're also being asked to be patient with your whimsical boss. Maybe your boss is somebody who's always changing plans. It could be very frustrating because there's also ambiguity here. You want your boss to be very clear, but of course, you cannot say much. In personal relationships, also, Leos, you should avoid overreacting to situations. Maybe your loved ones could accuse you of making a mountain out of a molehill. These final days also there could be an appraisal by the management. This could leave you a bit stressed out as well. Maybe the administration wants to prod clients and wants to understand whether you are capable or efficient work or not. Basically, the administrator wants the clients to air their grievances, and this could leave you a bit humiliated. Maybe you feel that the boss doesn't have faith in your abilities. You're not somebody who's going to put up with those insults and slights. With respect to your love life, I have this card, recognition. Certainly, Leos, you're going to be much admired. There are some suitors who are going to be quite explicit. In fact, the body language could give everything away. Basically, they are in love with you, but then maybe you will distance yourself from such people. Some of you could also ignore the advances of a particular client. You do see it as a professional relationship. You don't see it as anything other than that. Maybe you will shrug off the suggestions of your confidant who feels that this person is falling in love with you. In case you're crushing on someone or in case it's an unacknowledged relationship, you definitely feel that you're pursuing your love interest, but then this person is not taking an interest in you. Maybe you feel that he has missed the connection or he has failed to recognize this connection, or perhaps he's wearing a mask in this relationship. Romancing Leos, I think you will enjoy phone conversations. Maybe you will plan date nights, but some of your plans could be shelved. Oftentimes you'll be discussing about your past. You will reveal things about your childhood. Maybe this person recognizes that there's a deep soul connection with you. By the way, I think you'll also be a bit distressed or distraught because your person could be away on account of a business trip, or there could be some kind of distance in this relationship. For some Leos, it's also possible that someone from your past could reconnect. This person will outline his feelings for you, but then you may feel as though he is distant at time. Maybe that is why this card, recognition, has come. This person certainly understands your value in his life. I think Leos, you could also be distracted when it comes to matters of the heart. Maybe there are multiple options before you. More than one person could be showing an interest in you. There could be some lover's tip as well. So that is why you're being called upon to forgive this person. Forgiveness heals, but revenge doesn't. You have to act from a place of maturity this month. Leos, I think you need to be more attentive to the needs of your spouse. Maybe your spouse is feeling left out and ignored. Perhaps you're going to spend time with others. That is why your spouse could complain. I think the health of a loved one could also put a strain on your relationship this month. Maybe money is being spent. That is why. Incidentally, your spouse is also somebody who's going to make gains this month, so you could be quite happy about that. Those of you who are in an unhappy connection, I think domestic violence or infidelity could also be a factor here. Maybe a third person is also going to be supportive of you. That is why your partner could be quite infuriated. Ideally, I think you should forgive and move on from this connection. Revenge doesn't mean love. It means getting even with the person who has wronged you. You should understand that you're not tolerating his behavior, but that you're forgiving this person for your own emotional freedom. Maybe you should meditate, you should light a candle. Perhaps aromatherapy could also help you settle your nerves. From Lenormand, we have this card, woman or lady. Perhaps there's going to be a significant female influence this month. Maybe it is also going to represent the feminine energy which is there. Or maybe a lady could be up to mischief in your life, so you need to guard against that as well. Last but not the least, we have this card: cancel, clear, delete. Your angels are asking you to stop complaining or stop worrying about a particular situation. Maybe there are negative emotions which are affecting you. Ideally, I think Leos, you should choose positive words. You should have a clear outlook for yourself. Have new and positive intentions. Like I said, we did have forgiveness here, so you should let go of those emotions which are holding you back this month. I hope Leos, you liked your reading. This is Char with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.